Are you looking for a comforting and healthy breakfast option for those busy mornings? Look no further. Today we're sharing an easy and delicious breakfast casserole recipe that will kickstart your day on the right note. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, gather your ingredients: eggs, milk, whole wheat bread, turkey sausage, spinach, cherry tomatoes, and shredded cheddar cheese. In a bowl, whisk together the eggs and milk. Then tear the whole wheat bread into bite-sized pieces and place them in a greased baking dish. Next, cook the turkey sausage until browned, then layer it over the bread. Add the spinach and cherry tomatoes on top, followed by the egg mixture. Sprinkle the shredded cheddar cheese over everything. Bake in the oven for 35 minutes, or until the casserole is set and golden brown. Slice and serve this delicious breakfast casserole hot, and enjoy a nutritious and flavorful meal that will keep you fueled throughout the day. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes and cooking tips.